Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimal to a fraction worksheet. All this means is that we are converting decimals to a fraction. Let's see what we have to do. So this video presents two worksheets where we can practice converting decimals to fractions. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. And on the last slide, there is a link that you can click on. When you do that, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave this particular slide on for about 1 minute before I go on to the second slide. Okay, let's have a look at the next slide now. Convert each of the following decimals to a fraction. Simplify the fraction where possible. This is very exciting here because we have recurring decimals. So each of these examples are recurring decimals. And we specifically showed on the previous lesson how to do all of these. So if you need help, on the next slide, just click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and explain how to do all the examples. So I'll leave this slide on for a minute. Good luck with it, and I hope you enjoy doing the examples.